Happy birthday to you, shining star, may your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know?
Happy birthday! Ayun, sana magustuhan mo yung surprise na inihanda namin para sa'yo. Wala sa iyong mga pamilya, kaibigan na nagmamahal sa'yo. At ayun, dalangin ko sa Diyos ang iyong kalusugan, ang iyong lakas, tagumpay sa buhay. At syempre, marami pang taon na darating. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw. At say happy birthday! Enjoy the show!
Birthday mo na ngayon,
Birthday mo na ngayon,
dagdag isang taon.
dagdag isang taon.
Birthday mo na ngayon, birthday mo na ngayon, dagdag isang taon, dagdag isang taon.
Birthday mo raw. Greetings! Happy birthday.
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 Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
You happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Lisa, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you. Enjoy your life and be happy always.
Happy birthday! More birthdays to come! Love you!
Happy birthday, Tito G! God bless!
Happy birthday, Tito G! More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. See you soon.
So hello sa iyo, GR. Binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan. Ito'y mula sa representative ng 3rd District ng Valenzuela, Representative Paolo Lopera at your service. So mabuhay ka at mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo.
Hi! Happy birthday, Ading Jay. Salamat sa buhay mo kasi napakabuti mong tao, promise. Salamat sa mga tulong nyo sa akin ni Maymay noong nag-apply pa lang ako talaga hanggang wakas talaga. Nandyan yung kabaitan yung dalawa. Kaya pinagpipray ko na bahala na ang Lord na magbalik ng kabutihan nyo. Kaya happy birthday, Ading, na sana makamtan mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Kayong dalawa ni Maymay, salamat sa buhay nyong dalawa. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, oo, si Taylor Swift to. Happy birthday, G! More birthdays to come. Alam mo naman, ikaw ang iniwan sa amin ni Nanay Binili na laging gabayan. Kaya pag may problema ka, magsabi ka lang kay Taylor Swift. Happy birthday uli, G. Bye!
Happy 18th birthday, J. Salamat sa lahat ng effort at sa pag-aalaga sa kanya namin. Kung ano man ang dinedesire ng heart mo, alam ko ipagkakaloob yun ng Lord in His perfect time. God bless.
Bernadine! Yan. Pinaka... Ano ba? Paano mo sabihin natin? Pinaka... Ano masabi mo, Kapi? Pinakapayat kong best friend. Pinaka... Zexy, no? Ang buto ng Valenzuela. Maligayang madugong pagbabalik. Ayan. Joke lang. Masayang happy birthday sa'yo, GR. And enjoy mo ang araw na to. Para sa'yo to, GR. Enjoy the rest of the day. Libre mo ako pagkain, ha? Cheesy ka talaga. Alright.
Happy birthday, G. Tanging hiling ko na sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming kaarawan, magandang kalusugan, materially, financially, and most especially spiritually. Mag-ingat kayo palagi. Happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday, G. More birthdays to come and God bless.
Happy birthday to G. Sana bukas mag-enjoy ka sa kaarawan mo. Sana lumakas yung tutok mo sa laro para makapaglaro din tayo.
G, happy birthday.
Birthday ulit to G. Peace out.
Happy birthday, Jack. God bless.
Happy birthday, Jack. God bless.
Hello, Wally Bayola here. I just want to greet you happy birthday, GR. Pinakamagandang memories ko sa'yo, yung nagsuntukan tayo, tapos binata mo ako ng bato. Tapos umiyak ako. Yun lang. More birthday to come, brother. Ingat.
Hello, Wally Bayola here.
What the fuck?
I just want to greet you, brother. Yeah, happy birthday sa'yo. Na may ingatan ka ng taas, ilayo ka sa sakit. Ilayo ka sa sakit, ilayo ka sa disgrasya kasi alam mo naman yung trabaho natin, di ba? Lagi tayo nasa lansangan. Marami tayo pwede ma-encounter sa na tinatahak natin. About naman sa inyo ni Cherry, alagaan nyo isa't isa. Saka huwag kang makakalimot lagi sa taas. Alam mo yan, sa taas, huwag kang makakalimot. Struggle man tayo, ikaw, struggle ka man yan. Kasi alam mo naman, putol-putol ng biyahe mo. Dasal lang. Kasi hindi naman laging ganyan. Darating din yung time na uusad ka rin. Magiging maayos din. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, G! Sana matupad mo lahat ng wish mo. Cheers to another year!
Anak, happy birthday sa'yo. Happy 27th birthday, anak. Love you.
Happy birthday, Je! Miss ko na kayo ni Sister Che.
Happy birthday, Tito Ted.
Mag-sing ka. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday!
Tito Ted. Happy birthday, Tito Ted. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tito Ted.
Ready? Let's go.